Hello and welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. This is the channel where we take you all across this country to find the yummiest places to eat. On today's episode, we introduce you to special guest Papa Tom. Let's join Papa Tom as he has breakfast over in West Tennessee. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell because you never know if we might be in your area. Know of a place we can't miss? Drop it in the comments below. For over 25 years, they've been serving up home-cooked food. And from what I hear, it's some of the best around. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what old Papa Tom has to say.
Good morning. We're at the Rhodes Family Diner in Medina, Tennessee. Friendly folks. And some good eating. And they always got the coffee over.
They have a wide variety of breakfast items on their menu, including chicken fried steak and fried eggs and bacon, but they have the best pancakes. And I'm talking pancakes as large as your face. They even have a pancake challenge where if you can eat 5 of their extra large pancakes in under an hour, you win. Many have tried, many have failed. But not only do they have breakfast and pancake challenge, they have lunch, burgers, and catfish and steaks. They have everything on their menu. And don't forget dessert, scrumptious desserts. And you know Papa Tom gives it his sign of approval when he says,
The coffee pot's always on.